Hi, my name is Dr. Lumina. Welcome to this insightful session on measuring advanced KPIs and attribution models in influencer campaigns. Today, we'll explore how we measure success in influencer marketing. We'll dive into KPIs, attribution models, sentiment analysis, customer lifetime value, CLV, engagement velocity, ROI and ROMI, and much more. By the end of this session, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to make data-driven decisions to optimize influencer marketing campaigns, improving engagement, ROI, and campaign effectiveness. Overview of advanced KPIs and attribution models in influencer campaigns. This slide sets the stage by introducing the importance of key performance indicators, KPIs, and attribution models in influencer marketing. In today's world, influencer campaigns are often based on the ability to track and measure outcomes. KPIs are the metrics used to evaluate campaign success, and attribution models help assign value to different touchpoints in the customer journey. This approach ensures that every interaction with content, whether on social media, email, or websites, is accurately tracked. By effectively using KPIs and attribution models, brands can see which aspects of their campaigns are driving results and optimize them accordingly. Multi-touch attribution. Definition and importance. Moving on to multi-touch attribution, this model evaluates the contribution of various touchpoints throughout the customer's journey, giving a holistic view of campaign effectiveness. Traditional models often focus on a single touchpoint, but multi-touch attribution is more comprehensive, tracking the journey from the first interaction to the final conversion. For influencer campaigns, this means understanding how different content pieces, from Instagram posts to YouTube videos, contribute to a purchase. Multi-touch attribution helps allocate marketing budgets to the highest performing channels, ensuring that resources are spent efficiently. Multi-touch attribution. Benefits of multi-touch attribution for influencer campaigns. The benefits of multi-touch attribution are significant. By measuring the value of each touchpoint, brands can identify which aspects of their campaigns drive the most conversions. This helps optimize marketing spend by focusing resources on the most effective influencers and channels. For example, if influencer content on TikTok is more effective than Instagram for a particular audience, a brand can invest more in TikTok. Multi-touch attribution also enhances decision-making, providing actionable insights on where improvements can be made and which influencers or platforms deserve more attention. Sentiment analysis. What is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis involves analyzing the emotional tone behind online interactions, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. In influencer campaigns, understanding how an audience feels about an influencer's post is crucial. Sentiment analysis goes beyond tracking likes and comments. It helps assess emotional engagement. For instance, an influencer's post may generate a lot of likes, but if the sentiment is negative, the brand could face reputation risks. By utilizing sentiment analysis, brands can track the emotional response to their content and make adjustments when necessary, ensuring their campaigns resonate well with their target audience. Sentiment analysis. How sentiment analysis enhances campaign metrics. Sentiment analysis enhances campaign metrics by providing deeper insights into audience reactions. It allows brands to go beyond surface-level engagement and evaluate how their audience truly feels about the campaign. For example, if sentiment analysis shows a predominantly negative response to an influencer's post, the brand can quickly pivot and address concerns. On the flip side, a positive sentiment indicates that the campaign is on track. By using sentiment analysis, brands can fine-tune content, ensuring it connects emotionally with their audience, improving overall campaign performance. Customer lifetime value, CLV, understanding CLV and its impact on influencer campaigns. Customer lifetime value, CLV, measures the total revenue a customer is expected to generate throughout their relationship with the brand. This metric is critical for understanding the long-term impact of influencer campaigns. Instead of focusing solely on immediate sales, CLV helps brands assess which influencers are driving high-value, long-term customers. For instance, an influencer may generate significant short-term sales, but may not create lasting customer loyalty. CLV helps prioritize influencers and campaigns that foster lasting relationships, ensuring long-term profitability. Customer lifetime value, CLV. How to calculate CLV for your brand. To calculate CLV, brands need three pieces of data: average purchase value, purchase frequency, and customer lifespan. For example, if a customer spends $50 per month and stays loyal for 2 years, their CLV would be $50, $12, $200. By calculating CLV, brands can determine how much they should be willing to invest in acquiring customers through influencer campaigns. If a customer's CLV is high, brands might be more willing to spend more on influencer partnerships, knowing the lifetime value of the customer will exceed the acquisition cost. Engagement velocity. Defining engagement velocity in influencer campaigns. Engagement velocity refers to the speed at which users interact with influencer content. It measures how quickly likes, shares, comments, and clicks happen once the content is published. For brands, this metric helps track the immediate effectiveness of a campaign. A high engagement velocity often signals that the content is resonating quickly with the audience. In influencer marketing, this insight helps identify successful content and influencers, allowing brands to adjust strategies in real time for maximum impact. Engagement velocity. Using engagement velocity to measure campaign performance. Tracking engagement velocity enables brands to monitor real-time performance. This is crucial because it allows marketers to gauge how quickly their audience is reacting to influencer content. For example, if an influencer's post receives quick engagement, it indicates the content is effective and resonates with the audience. On the other hand, slow engagement velocity can be a signal to reassess the content or influencer. By comparing engagement velocity across different campaigns, brands can identify which strategies work best and refine their approach for future campaigns. Campaign analytics tools. Overview of key campaign analytics tools. Analytics tools like Google Analytics, social media platforms, and specialized influencer marketing tools like Grin or Tracker are essential for measuring influencer campaign success. These tools track various metrics, from website traffic to social media engagement, providing valuable insights into campaign performance. For influencer campaigns, these tools help track how well influencers are driving traffic and conversions. By integrating these tools, brands can get a holistic view of their campaign's effectiveness, from reach to ROI. Campaign analytics tools. How to choose the right analytics tool for your campaigns. Choosing the right analytics tool depends on your campaign goals. If you're focused on website conversions, Google Analytics is a must. For social media engagement, platforms like Instagram Insights or Facebook Analytics offer specific insights into audience behavior. When working with influencers, tools like Grin or Tracker are designed to track influencer performance in detail, such as audience demographics and engagement rates. By choosing the right tool for the job, brands can track KPIs effectively and optimize campaigns for greater success. ROI and ROMI. Defining ROI and ROMI in influencer marketing. Return on investment, ROI, and return on marketing investment, ROMI, are both key metrics in determining the success of an influencer campaign. ROI calculates the overall profit relative to the total cost, whereas ROMI specifically focuses on the effectiveness of marketing efforts. These metrics are crucial for evaluating the financial success of influencer campaigns. By tracking ROI and ROMI, brands can determine whether their influencer collaborations are worth the investment, ensuring that marketing resources are used wisely. ROI and ROMI. How to measure and improve your campaign. ROI and ROMI. To measure ROI and ROMI, brands track data such as customer acquisition cost, influencer performance, and overall campaign spend. By comparing these costs to the revenue generated, brands can evaluate whether the campaign was profitable. To improve ROI and ROMI, brands can focus on refining influencer selection, optimizing content, and using data-driven insights to allocate resources more effectively. Tools like Google Analytics and social media analytics help track these metrics, making it easier to adjust strategies in real time and maximize campaign returns. Attribution techniques. Overview of attribution techniques for influencer campaigns. Attribution techniques help assign credit to different touchpoints along the customer journey. Techniques like first click, last click, and linear attribution are commonly used to evaluate the effectiveness of marketing activities. First-click attribution gives full credit to the first interaction, while last-click attribution credits the final interaction before conversion. Linear attribution divides credit equally among all touchpoints. By using the right attribution model, brands can determine which influencers or channels are contributing most to conversions, helping them make better decisions on where to focus marketing efforts. Attribution techniques. Advanced attribution techniques for accurate campaign analysis. Advanced attribution techniques, such as time decay and U-shaped attribution, offer more detailed insights. Time decay attribution gives more credit to touchpoints that occur closer to the conversion event, while U-shaped attribution assigns greater value to both the first and last touchpoints in the customer journey. Brands can also create custom attribution models tailored to their unique customer journey, allowing for more accurate analysis of influencer campaign effectiveness. These advanced techniques enable brands to assess the true impact of each influencer and marketing touchpoint. Data visualization. The importance of data visualization in campaign reporting. Data visualization helps transform complex campaign data into simple, understandable charts and graphs. By using data visualization, brands can quickly see the performance of their influencer campaigns. It allows marketers to spot patterns, trends, and potential issues with ease. In influencer marketing, visual reports make it easier for teams and stakeholders to understand campaign success and areas for improvement. By presenting data visually, brands can effectively communicate the value of their influencer marketing efforts. Data visualization. Best practices for data visualization in influencer campaigns. For effective data visualization, brands should simplify complex data by using clear, easy-to-read charts. Interactive dashboards that allow for real-time exploration of data can also provide deeper insights into campaign performance. Using a consistent color palette and ensuring that the data is relevant to the audience can enhance the effectiveness of reports. By following best practices, brands can ensure that their data tells a clear, actionable story, helping decision-makers optimize future campaigns and drive better results. Summary of key insights from advanced KPIs and attribution models. In conclusion, understanding and applying advanced KPIs, attribution models, and data visualization is key to measuring the effectiveness of influencer marketing campaigns. By leveraging multi-touch attribution, sentiment analysis, and CLV, brands can track the full customer journey, optimize campaigns, and maximize ROI. These insights ensure brands make data-driven decisions and enhance engagement across their campaigns. Whether you're optimizing influencer selection, adjusting content strategies, or refining attribution models, these metrics will help you create more successful influencer campaigns.